Composer is a dependency manager for PHP that allows developers to easily manage third-party libraries and packages in their projects. It simplifies the process of including functionalities like sending emails or logging, and eliminates the need for manual installation and updates. This video shows the process of installing Composer, using official website of Composer. Search for Composer on search engine and click on download link under getcomposer.org. Then simply copy and run each command one by one on terminal. Finally, just run Composer command on terminal to test the installation. Thanks for watching.